Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, December 19th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the SPY. Doing this video a little early. I do have a doctor's appointment. I will be missing the opening. Hope to be back by 10:30 the latest. So, since there's not much happening, let's do the video. Remember, the market has turned down on both the weekly and the daily has been down. We had an outside week down last week. Now, so far, look what we've done all night, for the most part, overnight. Been trading where we attempted to have a double distribution day on Friday, only to have Larry and Mo take it back. Well, we've been filling in that light volume area all night and morning so far. That's basically what we've been doing. Nothing changes unless we take out Friday's high. If we take out Friday's high, the daily would come back into balance. If we take out Friday's low, remember, SPY filled their gap from back in November to the downside. There's pretty much a price void below us down to around the 373 level. ES, based on the December contract, did not fill that gap, but certainly would if we take out Friday's low. So game plan early. Right in here, back and forth, not much. Again, for a very, very early play. And again, it's early in the day, so a lot of this can change in the next 90 minutes. But you can take a short against whatever the overnight high may be, although the value would be overlapping a higher by that point. And the same thing down here with the long against the overnight low. But again, the value might be unchanged, or it might be overlapping a higher at that point. Those are two really early plays. Or let's see what this market wants to do as far as any kind of tempo or direction, right? Are the sellers still really in control? If sellers are fully in control, we should have not much of an issue taking out Friday's low to get some more downward movement. If that's all they want to do, and when we take out Friday's high, well, we're going to come back into balance with 2 weeks left to go in the trading year, at least in the daily. So really not a lot of play right here. The first time against Friday's high, we'll see if sellers defend it. You could take a short against it, even though value would be at least overlapping a higher, if not higher by that point. Okay? Things of that nature. Or you could wait for the initial balance to start forming to see which side tries to take control. And then, just on the chart, so here's the weekly. Now, I'm calling it down because even though we made new highs on the weekly, believe it or not, last week, we were in a 4-week balance coming into last week. We didn't go up on the weekly last week initially. We stretched the balance high. Now, when we came back down, we didn't just stretch the balance low. We blew pretty much through it. So for my money's worth, the weekly is down. It's an outside week down. Bulls want to get back into this range, so back into the 390 level. Sellers want to get this down to around the 373 level. All right, so down on the weekly, outside week down, and the daily obviously firmly down. The 50-day moving average right now, it closed at 385.70 on Friday. We're about $1 lower from it pre-market. So obviously, the first step for the bulls would have to be to take out the 50-day moving average if they even have a chance of putting the daily back into balance. And don't forget, ES does not have a gap from Friday, but SPY has that dividend gap, okay? Do not forget that. And then we have the gap again above us also from the day of December 15th. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.